Okay, just a quick one on DHCPv6. So this is kind of the way they would obtain IPv6 addresses. So any node, IPv6 node, could be kind of stateless, and it would just get only router advertisements for its address configuration. So would get its address from the router rather than from the server, and it would only provide, the server would only provide the router prefix, so it knows where to go, and it wouldn't provide any other configuration options such as what the DNS servers will or anything like that. Then there's stateful, where the DHCP server is used to find the address and any other configuration options such as DNS, or you could have it doing both. So it knows where the default gateway is, but it also gets its address and everything. Okay, so I'm going to have a look at creating some. So I'm just going to create a new scope, and I'm going to call this one Great Yarmouth Scope, and I'm going to give it a prefix. So this is just what the start of it would look like, and you can drop any leading zeros and it will be fine. So I've got it so that even though these are different lengths, there would actually be really a 0 in front of that and 4 zeros in there. So each one of these would have 4 kind of alphanumeric digits. So I'm just going to press next, and it's going to do that again. Right. I had this a minute ago, and the moment I switched off the camera, it straight away worked. I couldn't see a logical reason why it did. Okay, so I know this one. Okay, I'll just cut it down. Okay, so we've got our start address, which I could do at any of the digits again. So I'm going to go from 0, and I'm just going to go, I'll just go up to I'm going to just go up to there. I'm going to go next, and there's the different these ones, and I'm just going to activate it. So I've got my Great Yarmouth scope. I can make exclusions in the same way. I can do reservations, and I can add any scope options I want, like the domain names and the DNS cursor ones, and so on. Right, I'm just going to do the same sort of thing, just on my server core. So all I need to do is go add my DHCP server, and because it's version 6, not version 4, we're using v6 this time. Scope, and I'm going to set the prefix length, which I'm actually going to use virtually the same. I'm just going to use that, and I'm going to give it the name Galston scope. And I've jumped the gun. I've forgotten to go into PowerShell. and we'll put it back in. So I've just got to put in the prefix length. And I'm just going to give it the name. And because this is a string, I'm doing it in the brackets. Now I've done something wrong in there. Really doesn't like me today. So I'm just going to shorten it. Okay, just for demonstration purposes. Right, so I could get a DHCP server v6 and see the scopes, which I've got my Galston one there. And it tells me all about it and the prefix length, everything. Right, and that's about it for about DHCPv6. So I can create them and then, okay, bye.